In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to open a Citibank credit card and an Access Bank application. So the first thing that you'll need to do is simply go to citi.com and make sure to log in into your account. You have one. If you don't, make sure to go and open an account. Of course, I've already made a video on how to open an account if you want to go and check it out. Plus that, if you are using the phone, you can go and sign in using the user ID or Touch ID or even Face ID if you've enabled that, or register for an account if you don't have an account. And of course, you'll need to download the application if you don't have it downloaded. So now how to open a Citibank credit card. So since I cannot access Citibank or Access Bank, I'll just show you here. So as an example, you'll need to log into your Access Bank and go to pay bills. You'll have to choose the Citibank. After that, you'll have to enter your bank informations, click on confirm to submit it. Then once you're logged in again, you'll be able to simply see your Citibank added there into the Access Bank. It's very simple. And of course, here are some frequently asked questions that people ask because since the migration from Citibank to Access Bank. So, an example, will there be any change annual fees on the CC branded cards? Example, so CC branded migrations example, it is completed by July 15th in 2024. And how do I access my card? As an example, you can simply use your Citibank online account. You'll be able to access your card. You can even access it into the Access Bank as we showed you before from that video. And what are the various customer service channels available for me? So those are just informations that if you want to know, you can pause the video as an example and read it out. What will happen to my accumulated reward points? As example, those are just some of the questions that are people asking. So what's redemption options will I be able to enjoy in my Access Bank? As an example, which options or points will be redeemed first during the redemption? And after migration, will be any charge or change in annual fees charged on my Citi branded cards. So yeah, that's basically how to add your Access Bank or Citibank card into your Access Bank account. So this is going to be it for me today. Thank you for watching and goodbye.